Hi, welcome to this session on drawing tutorials. Today, let's see how to draw birds. In this session, let's see a couple of very cute small birds. First one I would like to show you is a woodpecker. Now, if you remember, the sparrow had a small head like this and a larger, bulkier body to this shape, this size. The woodpecker, on the contrary, they have a very small body compared to their head. So their body is only up to this size, and the head is longer. It's a longer ellipse, and the body is vertical. Normally, woodpeckers we draw in a vertical position as if it's pecking the wood, and they have again small tail like this. Let's get on to the details. So as I told you, the head is longer and their beaks are very long compared to the sparrows, this much at least. And woodpecker also has got 3 layers of wings. You need to close the wing like this, and the tail. Now it still hasn't got that characteristic feature of the woodpecker, so which is their head. The head is in this shape, and they have this mask kind of design on their head. And they hold on to the So this is a simple woodpecker. So as I told you, this long elliptical head, small vertical body, and a triangular tail with a long beak. This will make like a woodpecker, and the typical characteristic of the woodpecker is their crown like this. Now let's see another interesting bird, which is called a hummingbird, which is also a very small bird, and they are also normally depicted while they are flying on the move. So they have this circular head and small body like this, and their tail while they are flying, it's always inverted like this. In fact, there will be rapidly moving tail, and their wings are and they have a very decorative kind of wing with 2 layers. And the characteristic feature of this is a very long beak, very needle-like beak to take the honey away from the flowers. So this is hummingbird.